pressure reports in millibars at 10 p.m.
Clear 65.
This is an activation of the Amber Alert system. We have just received this important information regarding an abducted child in Snohomish County, Gold Bar, Washington. Snohomish County Sheriff's Office is looking for a child who was last seen at 307 9th Street, Gold Bar, Washington, and is believed to be in danger. The child's name is Riley Cleveland. He is a 5-year-old white male with blonde hair and blue eyes. He is believed to be 3 feet 3 inches, weighing 80 pounds. He was last seen wearing a dark sweater with an American flag on it, light-colored pants, and no shoes. Authorities say that the child may be in the company of Noranda Chenier. She is a 34-year-old white female with blonde hair and blue eyes, and is believed to be 5 feet 7 inches, weighing 125 pounds. They may be traveling in a 1996 silver Ford Taurus vehicle with Washington license plate ALK 8114. If you have any information on whereabouts of this child, please call 911 or contact 425-407-3970 immediately.